kisses in the train. I saw the midlands revolve through her hair, fields of autumn stretching bare, and sheep on the pasture tossed back in a scare. And still as ever the world went round, my mouth on her pulsing neck was found, and my breast to her beating breast was bound. But my heart at the centre of all, in a swound, was still as a pivot as all the ground on its prowling orbit shifted round. And still in my nostrils the scent of her flesh, and still my wet mouth sought her afresh, and still one pulse through the world did thresh, and the world all whirling around in joy, like the dance of a dervish, did destroy my sense, and my reason spun like a toy. But firm at the centre my heart was found, her own to my perfect heartbeat bound, like a magnet's keeper closing the round.